Enough of Te Reo. Why English must officially be recognized as the official language of New Zealand. Kia ora, it's the Maori Green Lantern here. Today, we're discussing Julian Batchelor's article. He's a far-right activist who wants to erase our culture and our rights. Batchelor's article tries to undermine the use of Te Reo Maori in Aotearoa. He claims English should be the official language, without providing any evidence. He also attacks the co-governance arrangements that give Maori a voice in decision-making. Batchelor forgets that Te Reo Maori is the indigenous language of this land. It's been spoken here for centuries before the arrival of the English settlers. Te Reo Maori and New Zealand Sign Language are recognized as official languages by law. The Treaty of Waitangi, our founding document, was signed in both Te Reo Maori and English. It guarantees Maori the right to self-determination and treasures, which include Te Reo Maori. Batchelor denounces the co-governance arrangements that give Maori a voice in decision-making. He doesn't acknowledge the historical and contemporary injustices that Maori have faced. He misrepresents the co-governance model as a form of racial segregation rather than a way of sharing power. Batchelor attacks the growth mindset principles that encourage learning and diversity. He doesn't understand what they mean or how they work. He confuses the growth mindset with the fixed mindset, which is the limiting belief that one's abilities and talents are fixed. Batchelor's article is poorly written and argued. It's based on personal opinions and prejudices rather than facts and evidence. It doesn't reflect the history or the reality of Aotearoa, nor the aspirations and potential of its people. If you find value in this post, please hit the like button and share it with your friends in Whanau. Your support in sharing this message is greatly appreciated. Ngā mihi, the Maori Green Lantern.